Hi Bean Beauties, welcome, welcome, welcome. This video today is going to be kind of a what's in my bag, what I carried for the trip, the vacation bag, and or bags. I talk about these two in the video, and this one I kind of forgot about talking about. It was packed away in the suitcase at the time when I did the video. You'll see. So I didn't have it at the time, and so out of sight, out of mind. But it came in handy, and I really liked it. Okay, so I hope you enjoys today's video. It's a little bit different. I'll have a kind of wrap up, a synopsis at the end. So I hope you join me to the end. And it's just a little quick video about what I carry while I'm on vacation. Alrighty, love y'all. See you in a little bit. Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. This is my car bag this trip for our cruise. Today's the first day of the cruise. I haven't completely unpacked it, but I will show you what I kind of carry, and then if I already take the stuff out, I will let you know. Okay. Let me be right back so I can figure out how to do this one-handed. Okay. I'm actually pretty pleased that I got this bag, and I got it for a steal. I got it when it was like $150-ish. So this is the large Rowan, and I used this bag, plus I had a carry bag, my cherries bag that I just got, my raffia. I carried that one as well too. Okay, so let's get into it. Here is a double zipper. Need this. Okay, I'm gonna set up the tripod, because this is a tripod. I'm gonna set it up, and it'll be a little bit easier to film. But this is on the top. Did you see it with that on there? It's pretty full, pretty full. So then I take that off, and then here is kind of how it looks on the inside. Okay, I'll be right back. Now, I had these, this and my raffia one when we were actually traveling, and then when we got on board, I put everything in here, and here is my other quilted one. Here is the tabby. Let me show y'all my little no leave the tabby. I carry some pills, ibuprofen, and then $20 for tipping in case the hubs can't get into his stuff. Or when we do tipping, I guess I'll leave this all out. Okay. And then I have spare headphones. This is dental picks right here. And then here is my actual dental case that when I got my braces, and so here's floss, toothbrush, and one of these, and toothpaste, and then this is a face wash. And that way I could take this off at the hotel, and I have to open my suitcase, because I try to pack them separate for the hotel. Hair clip. Okay, I also travel in my suitcases and in my bag, just empty the trash bag to help collect the trash or what have you. I have my cherries notebook, because if I need to refer back to it, I have my bills in here, what I needed to do and notes I needed to do before I left for vacation, so that's why I was using that one. Here is some alcohol swabs, because I have to take the scopolamine patch, so I need those. Here is my big bottle of dual action Advil to help with the pain and the inflammation. That's in addition to my other medicines. So here is my bottle of scopolamine. I have some of the alcohol swabs in there, and then these over here are the patch. Do the patches work? Yes, they do. I get mine from from the doctor's office. I feel more comfortable. Make sure I have the right stuff. I don't like to buy just stuff over the counter. What's in here? I have tissues for the road. Have another set of AirPods. And what's in here? Okay, so here is my Cherries tag that I wanted to put on something, but also too, I use this little bag for some hair accessories, and I tried to pack light this time, and we actually did, but and here is I have my jewelry. The jewelry, and I've downsized as to what jewelry I'm going to be wearing on the trip. So this is my jewelry. In here, is my Chanel, which is the, what is it? It is the reissue belt bag that I converted into a shoulder bag. And in here is the chain in there. And I keep it in a Coach dust bag to keep it safe. And this would probably go, if it fits in the safe, it's going to go in there. Although our safe this time is very tiny. Okay. I have this little leopard, and I have ladies products, and some ibuprofen in little packages, and looks like I have more jewelry in here. I do have more jewelry. Yeah, more jewelry. I don't lose it. I packed in a hurry this time, so I had to be creative. And this one also too, I had in my raffia, Coach raffia soft tabby, until we got to the hotel. And then after the hotel, I put everything in here or in the suitcases. Here's more scopolamine patches. So I think I carried these in here, and then I carried the first ones I showed you. Where did it go? Oh, I carried this one in the soft tabby. But once we got to the hotel, I put everything in here. And the reason being is because I need all that other stuff to travel with. But once we get to the hotel, then, you know, the next step is on the ship, so we can combine everything. Okay, I have this big pouch before I go into it. Let me show you what else I have in the bag. Oh, the pen to go with the planner. Some face soap. I checked in from the hotel last night. They don't normally give you face soap. Some more, these are Bonline. These are the ones that I tell you that I prefer these over, what is the other brand for motion sickness? I prefer these instead of the other ones because these don't make you drowsy or as drowsy as the other ones. And my lip balm. I'm not sure if I really like this one. It's from Hermes. It glides on easy, but I think it's drying out my lips, maybe. I'm not sure. Nothing else in the pocket. And then here is the strap that goes with the bag. This is Portland leather goods, and I keep my flash drive in here to download my stuff for YouTube, all the extra stuff, because my phones are getting full. And was that it on that pocket? That was it on that pocket. Okay. So that's it for, oh, here's one more thing, sorry. The other pocket had my Hermes palette, makeup palette. So hoping that with that and the other little bit of makeup, I won't miss out, but they do have on board things that you can buy. So that's it in here. So let's go through here. So in here is my catch-all, and I have another little wallet that one of the viewers, Christine, gave me. Thank you very much. And it has my change, is where I hold my change, and these are just extra playing games from Peter Piper Pizzas for our grandkids. They still have tickets on there, so when we take them again, we can use those. This is my battery charger. Oh, more lady products. I just try to hide them everywhere so I can have them. Here is my charger. to charge the phone. The, what's it called? The ink charger bank, I guess is what it's called. Here is another piece of jewelry. My necklace, this tends to get tangled a lot, so I just put it in here. So if it gets tangled, it gets tangled with itself. Looks like it's a little bit tangled. Here is my purse hook from Dee Bean, and this is a inhaler, like a Vicks inhaler when it gets stuffy. What else? Okay. Oh, see. Oh, this is where I use this as a wallet. It has our money, our trip money. And last but not least, I have this Bean key clip. This is from a mailbox. We have to check the mailbox on the way out, so I had to bring these with me. And that's it, just the cash. Okay, so I'll talk to you a little bit why I try to pack this back up with the stuff that I don't need on board. The reason that I pack this way is you try to make sure and pack the stuff that you need, but then I separate it when we come back from the cruise. I won't need this. Everything is on my key card. So put that in there. The cherries back in here. And this will go into the safe as well. So all this stuff I keep handy, but some of it I'll leave out. Okay, also I traveled with my cell phone back here, and I had it facing me on the floorboard, and then that way it was easy to get to. Welcome back, Being Beauties. Yes, so did you like that? Did you enjoy that? I know it's a little bit different. I did record that on the ship in our cabin, so that's why the color was a little bit different. In there's no lights. There's no lights and stuff in there. But I just thought I'd come on now and say thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And I hope that you like it. I love, love, love the Rowan 30. I thought that it would be too big for me. And as an everyday bag, it is too big for me as an everyday bag. It's not something that I could use on an everyday purpose for long periods of time. Maybe like, for a one-day thing or what have you. But and if it was something that I had to carry on my person like throughout the whole day, I'd have to make sure and not overload it, but I could have things that I don't normally carry when I carry small bags, which, like, if I need my planner or if I need, my calendar, the selfie stick kind of thing. And for a day's travel, I would do that, but I have to would definitely have to be very careful with the weight. I love the leopard strap that I bought it on sale, and the little leopard tabby. And this is just a generic Amazon, which I got because I was buying something else and it came in the pack, and I didn't realize it came in the pack, but it actually looks very, very pretty. I really like it. So I do highly recommend this. I got it when it was on super sale. It was on super sale, so I'm glad I did that. So when I normally travel, what I normally travel with is bags and bags and bags. Bags and bags and bags. This is what I would consider my car bag. I often use a tote as my car bag, or I will use like a Vera Bradley soft tote bag or soft bag that, that's a little bit bigger. And then those bags, then I will layer the different size bags for different things. So what I did this time was slightly different. Is I did have this tabby with me, and I forgot, I didn't mention it or show it in the video. I forgot all about it because I had it it was packed for the trip home in the suitcase. I didn't on the trip home. It's usually different than the trip there. So this was actually in the suitcase. So I did not not talk about it, but I did use it. This is the Tabby Coach Cherries Tabby from the Retail 12. And it's so cute and I like it. And I used it as more of a wallet with some money and some cards, a couple of cards. And I used that as the trip went on and I got tired and we made stops, then I would just take this out. I didn't take all of this out. And this generally is in the car, and this is stuff that I possibly could use or I need right away when we get off, when we get to the port and everything's at hand and I don't want it packed in the suitcase that it needs here. So it's usually like right here at the that I can grasp. And y'all saw what I took all together. So then I separate in here, then I'll separate my the necessities that I need. And this is the bag that I got just before we left on Vestiaire Collective. I can wear this one because it's very lightweight. Let me move that so you can see it. On my shoulder, it fits on my shoulder. I could possibly, I need just a teeny tiny bit of a chain extender for it to feel super comfortable on my shoulder. But I mean, that's not bad. And I actually, I could wear it that way, but I just need a little bit, I would like a little bit more extension on it. It has a crossbody strap, so I wore it crossbody a lot when we got down, like at Buc-ee's. We got down at a couple of Buc-ee's and we put gas and stuff, so that was really something I used. And then just before we got, or I think when we got to the hotel, then we came back down, there was still some things we needed to do. Then I used this, what was just the bare necessities. And I had this in here for a while, and then for a while I even kind of moved some stuff around, moved some stuff from here and there, and I had this in here so that I could just take this out. But then I had like all the things together. That's what I carried this time. That's kind of the process I go through to when I'm packing and stuff for the cruise. Because of my disability, having RA and having to wear my bags, my handbags differently because of medical purposes. So I have to kind of think through the process of how I need to do them. So I just compartmentalize the things that I need and kind of travel that way. I have to make it work. You have to make it work. Alrighty. Thank you very much for being here. Greatly appreciated. And I will see you on the next video, Bean Beauties. Love y'all. Bye-bye.